Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said that Kashmir is the jugular vein of Pakistan. Ever wondered what this means? If the jugular vein is cut off, life is not safe. Kashmir is the jugular vein of Pakistan. This means that Kashmir is the soul of Pakistan. Kashmir is the honor of Pakistan. Kashmir is the glory of Pakistan. Kashmir is the lifeline of Pakistan. Kashmir is part of Pakistan in blood, in flesh, in culture, in history, in geography, in every way and in every form. That's why the life of every Pakistani is sacrificed to Kashmiri Muslims. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said that Kashmir would become Pakistan, God willing. If Allah wanted, Quaid-e-Azam's statement would be true. As we know, when the Muslims struggled under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Quaid-e-Azam pierced the chest of India and gave us the gift of Pakistan. On the issue of Kashmir, at this time, the entire Pakistani nation is standing side by side with Pakistan's army. Every Pakistani, people belonging to all fields of life, doctors, engineers, businessmen, shopkeepers, lawyers, scholars, journalists, anchors, laborers, every single person of Pakistan, politicians are with Pakistan's army. Pakistan's army will continue to liberate the oppressed Muslims of Kashmir. Pakistan's army will fight till the last shoot and last soldier. Don't challenge us, Modi. I am addressing to Indian people, Indian soldiers, Indian politicians. Don't challenge us, Modi. We will blow your sleep. We will give our lives. We will save Pakistan. Long live Pakistan. Long live Pakistan. Long live Pakistan.